Hello everyone, I am Karan Jain and I welcome you back on our channel Pabbly. Today in this video we will learn how to tag existing contacts in Infusionsoft for new Stripe charges. Okay, so the idea here is, imagine you are running a business, you have a business and you are using this software Keep, which is a CRM application for your business purpose. Now in Keep you have thousands and thousands of contacts. You want that the customers who have done the payment through Stripe should have a tag in your Keep account so that you can identify those customers, that these are the customers who have done the payment through Stripe. But the problem here is, if you will follow the manual process, you have to first collect the data of your customer who have done the payment through Stripe. Then you have to manually add a tag in front of those customers in Keep. This process will be very repetitive, it will take a long time and it will kill your time unnecessarily. So to save your time, I suggest you to bring some automation here. You want something like, you are using Stripe as a payment gateway for your customers. Okay, customers will do the payment for your business here in Stripe, and you are using Keep, which is a CRM software for your database, for your customers database. Now whenever the customer will do the payment from Stripe, automatically a tag will be added in front of that particular contact in your Keep account. So for that I have used two applications here. First I have used Stripe. You know, it's a payment gateway which you are using for your customers will do the payment for your business. And secondly Keep, which is a CRM software which you are using for your business purpose. But here we have to face one problem. The problem is there is no direct connection or integration between these two applications. So how I have performed the automation? Let me tell you. With the help of Pabbly Connect. Now you people will say, what is Pabbly Connect? So Pabbly Connect is an integration and automation software. What it will do, it will help us to link both of these applications together so that every time the customer will do the payment through Stripe, automatically a specific tag of Stripe will be added in front of that customer in your Keep account. Amazing, right? Now let me tell you one more amazing fact. To use this software Pabbly Connect, you need not to have any technical background. A non-technical person can also use this software very easily. Now let me show you a real-time example on my screen. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, this is the payment page of Stripe. Here we will be doing the payment on behalf of our customer. The customer who is already added as a contact in our Keep account here. So let's take Anand Rajput. Here you can see no tag has been added in front of Anand Rajput. Now we will do the payment on behalf of Anand Rajput, and as soon as we will do the payment here in Stripe, you will see a tag will be added under the name of Stripe charge here in front of Anand Rajput. So we will take the Anand's email ID. We'll go to Stripe account. I'll paste the ID and now I'll fill up the details here. I'll do the payment on behalf of Anand, and you will see guys, as soon as the payment will be successfully done, let it load for a second. Okay, the payment has been successfully done. I'll come back to my Keep account and I'll refresh the page. Now as soon as I'll refresh the page, we will see automatically the tag has been added in front of Anand Rajput. The tag says Stripe charge. So it can clarify us when we will see in the contacts that whoever the contacts are and who have done the payment from Stripe. So the tag will help us to recognize the customers who are linked with the Stripe account. So guys, now you must be thinking how I have managed to do this integration process. As soon as the customer has done the payment in Stripe, automatically a tag has been added in front of that customer who are added as a contact in Keep. So let me show you the process of integration on my screen guys. Okay guys, before we start with the process, let me tell you 3 easy steps of integration as you can see on my screen. Step number 1 says connect Pabbly Connect to Stripe with the help of webhook URL. So what we're going to do first we will log in into our Pabbly Connect account and we will integrate our first application, which is Stripe, with the help of webhook URL. Okay. Now step number 2 says collect the data from Stripe and Pabbly Connect. So we will do a payment on behalf of our customer who is already added as a contact in Keep, and as soon as we will do a payment on behalf of that customer, I want the details of that customer should be captured in Pabbly Connect. So step number 2 says the same, and step number 3 says add a tag in front of the contact after successful payment in Stripe. So we will do a payment on behalf of a customer, as I have already told you, the customer who is already added as a contact in Keep. So after doing the payment in Stripe, you will see automatically a tag will be added in front of that customer in Keep account. So step number 3 says the same. Now let's start with the process, guys. Okay guys, so to start with the process, you have to first open your browsers, come to the search engine, and here you have to search for Pabbly. Type Pabbly, remember, Pabbly. Press enter. As you can see on my screen, this is the website page of Pabbly. What you have to do next is click on products, and you can see all of the 5 applications offered by Pabbly on my screen. Today we are using Pabbly Connect, so click on Pabbly Connect. Okay, now we have reached to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. For the first time users, if you can see a green button at my right corner which says sign up for free, guys, you have to click this, and your free account, completely free account, will be created in just 2 minutes because I am already logged in. So I'll click on sign in. Okay, one more time, you can see all of the 5 applications offered by Pabbly on my screen. As you know, today we are using Pabbly Connect. So come on Pabbly Connect and click on access now. Okay, so this is how the dashboard of Pabbly Connect looks. Now we have to create a new workflow. So here at the right corner, you can see a blue button is given to you which says create new workflow. You have to click this and a mini window will emerge in front of. Now this box is asking you to name your workflow. So we will name our workflow. Let's say I'm naming my workflow as Stripe to Infusionsoft. Okay, now I have given the name to my workflow as the name of the application I am integrating today. You can name your workflow accordingly. Okay, I'll click on create. And now we have entered to the workflow. Here we will be performing the steps of integration. You can see the title name which I have given, Stripe to Infusionsoft. Now before we start with the steps, let me tell you the workflow which we are creating today, this current workflow. I'll add the link of this workflow in my description box. So you can go to the link, you can click on the link, and you can directly clone the same workflow, guys, into your free Pabbly Connect account. Don't forget to go and check, okay? Now let me read out what it is written here, and let me explain you what is trigger and what is action first. Okay, here it is written, trigger when this happens, choose your first application, trigger, action, do this, choose your next application, action. Now you people must be thinking, what is this trigger and action? So let me tell you, trigger is happening of an event and action is the response to it. Okay, in this particular situation, the trigger event will be successful payment in Stripe. And what is the response we want? We want as soon as the payment is successfully done by the customer, automatically a tag should be added in front of their contact in Infusionsoft. So you understood, trigger is happening of an event and action is the response to it. Okay, now let's start with the process, guys. Okay, so to integrate our first application, which is Stripe, we have to click on our first application, come to the search field, and here we have to search for Stripe. Okay, here you can see on my screen, I'll click this. Now a new field of trigger event will emerge in front of you. If you'll click this arrow, you can see the various trigger events. Okay, now we have to search for the particular trigger event which is new charge. Okay, so the idea here is whenever a new charge is done in the Stripe through particular customer, the tag will be added and keep in Infusionsoft in front of that particular customer. Okay, here you can see a new field of webhook URL has been generated in front of you. Now if you'll read the instructions carefully, you can see from where we can integrate Stripe with Pabbly Connect with the help of webhook URL. Okay, here it is written, go to dashboard webhook settings section, click add endpoint to reveal a form to add a new endpoint for receiving events. Copy the webhook link above and paste it in endpoint URL field. Choose charge succeeded from select event dropdown. Okay, so guys, reading the instructions are very important. Why I'm telling you this again and again? Because when you will read the instructions, you need not to follow any other tutorials. You can create your workflow completely by your own. Now let me tell you how practically how we can reach to the Stripe and where we have to add the webhook to integrate Stripe with Pabbly Connect. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, this is my Stripe account. Okay, now what you have to do, if you can see your option for developers at your right corner, you have to click this. Okay, let it load. Now come to your left corner here, you can see some options are given to you. Among the options, you have to click on webhooks. Here you can see the various webhooks I have added for different workflow. Now we have to add a new webhook. So for that, come to your right corner again where it is written plus add endpoints. Click this. Okay, now here the fields have been generated. In the endpoint URL, we have to paste the particular webhook which has been generated in our Pabbly Connect account. So we'll go back to our Pabbly Connect account. We'll copy this webhook URL which has been generated. Go back to your Stripes account and simply paste it here. Okay. Now we have to select an event. Okay. So for that you have to click on the plus select event, and here we have to search for, let me tell you. Okay, so we have to click on charge. Then here are some options given under charge event. So we have to click on charge succeeded. Okay. So this is our particular event. Now click on add events and click on add endpoint. Let it load for a second, guys. Okay, so as you can see, the webhook has been successfully has been added to Stripe account. Now what you have to do, we have to do a charge. We will do a payment on behalf of our customer so that the details of that customer will be captured here in Pabbly Connect. But before that, let me take you to my Keep account. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, this is my account on Keep. Okay, now here in the contacts, you can see some contacts are added. Now let's take this particular contact, which is Salman Khan. Okay, now I'll do the payment in Stripe on behalf of Salman Khan, and the idea here is as soon as Salman will do the payment in Stripe, automatically here the tag will be added in front of his contact. Okay, so what I'll do, let me show it to you. So this is my payment page. Here we will be doing the payment on behalf of Salman. So let me copy his email ID. Let me copy the email address and let me paste the email address here. Now I'll do the payment. Okay. Let me enter the card details fast. Okay, now I'll click on pay. And guys, you can see on my screen, the payment has been done successfully on behalf of Salman. Now we will go to our Pabbly Connect account and we will see if the details of Salman has been captured there or not. Yes guys, here you can see the details has been captured successfully. Let me show it to you, the contact details. Here you can see the email ID which we have put in Stripe account, salman123@gmail.com. Okay, here you can see the rest of the details. Now what you have to do, we have to retrieve the customer ID. Why? Because here you can only see the email ID of Salman, but you cannot see the rest of the details like the name or the phone number. So for that, we have to retrieve the customer by his email ID. What you have to do next is come down to your next application, click here. Now search for Keep, which is Infusionsoft. Click here. Now a new field of action event will emerge in front of you. If you will click this arrow, you can see the various action event. Now, as I have told you, you have to retrieve a contact via email. Retrieved a contact via email. So I'll choose this particular action event and now I'll click on connect. Okay, a mini window will emerge in front of you, which will ask you to ask you for two options: add new connection and select existing connection. So I'll choose for add new connection and now I'll click on connect with Infusion by Keep. Okay, because I am already logged in here, I have shown it to you. So it is asking me for my permission. I'll click on allow. And as you can see, I have been successfully authorized in. Now guys, here it is asking us for the email ID. So we will map the same email ID. Let me show it to you, salman123 @gmail.com. So I'll map this particular email ID here. Now before that, let me tell you what is mapping data. Guys, if you will click on the field, a scroll down will appear in front of you. Now if you'll go to the scroll down, you can see all of the responses. Now these responses are the same responses which we have captured above here in Pabbly Connect. Now this option of mapping data is given to you whenever you are required to fill up the value in the required field. You need not to go up, search for the response, copy it, come down and paste it again and again. Simply you can do what? You can click on the field, you can go to the scroll down and search for your particular value, which is email ID. So here is the email ID. I'll map this and now I'll click on save and send test request. Okay guys, here you can see we have got all of the details, the other details, which is Salman, the name of our customer. Okay, the last name of our customer. Okay, so we have got the rest of the details. Now here we have got one more thing. We have got a contact ID. So remember this contact ID. I'll show it to you how it will help us to add the tag further. Okay, so we have successfully done our second step. Also, we have retrieved the customer by his ID, email ID. Now come down to your next application. For that, you have to click on the plus sign. Okay, come to the field of application and here you have to search for, again, Keep. Infusionsoft by Keep. Click here. Now in the action event, let me tell you what you will do. You will select for create tag. As the idea here is, as soon as Salman will do the payment in Stripe, automatically he is already added in Keep. So automatically a tag will be added in front of his contact in Keep. So for that, here you have to select for create tag. I'm sorry guys, here we have to select for apply tag to contact, not create tag. I got confused. Here we have to select for apply tag to contact. This is very simple because we are applying tag to the contact, not we are not creating any tag. We are just applying the tag to our existing contact. So here we will be choosing our action event as apply tag to contact. Okay, click here and now click on connect. Okay, again the mini window will emerge in front of you asking for two options, add new connection and select existing connection. So guys, this time we will be selecting select existing connection because we have already logged in our Keep account in our previous step. So here I'll be choosing select existing connection and now I'll click on save. Okay. Now what we have to do here, first here you can see two fields have been given to you where you have to add the value. It is required. Okay, so in the contact we will add the ID, the customer ID, which I have shown it to you. So this is the customer ID. We'll add this particular value here in contact, but before that you have to unbutton this and you have to clear the previous given value. Now come to the scroll down, come to the Infusionsoft scroll down, come down and search for the ID. Okay, this is the ID, contact ID. Click this and your contact ID has been successfully mapped. Now come to the tags, click on this arrow and here you can see the various tags. Now you have to search for the particular tag which you want to add in front of your existing contact in Keep. So here the tag I'll choose is Stripe charge. Why I'm choosing this particular tag? Because Salman has done the payment, has purchased the product from Stripe account. So I want that a tag of Stripe charge should be added in front of Salman so that I can see if whatever contacts has done the payment from Stripe or other gateways. So here Salman has done the payment from Stripe, so I want this tag of Stripe charge to be added in front of Salman. So I have mapped this particular tag and now I'll click on save and send test request. We'll see what are the responses. Guys, the responses are successful. Here you can see it is showing success. Now what I'll do, I'll go to my contacts. Here is the Salman. I mean the details of Salman. I'll refresh the page and as soon as I'll refresh the page, I'll see a tag of Stripe charge here in front of Salman in contact in front of Salman. Okay, let me refresh the page. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen here, a tag has been added of Stripe charge in front of our contact, which is Salman Khan. So guys, you have seen how perfectly the integration has worked. As soon as we have completed our workflow, you can see a tag has been added here. Now let me show you a live example here. Okay, let's take another contact here. So this is our contact, Devin Parker. What I'll do, I'll purchase a product one more time, but this time on behalf of Devin Parker. So I'll reload my page. Let me reload the page. Okay, so this was our payment page. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll copy this email ID. I'll go to the payment page. I'll paste it here, and now here I'll do the payment on behalf of Parker Devin. Let me add the details pretty fast, please. Okay, and now I'll pay. I'll be paying on behalf of Parker Devin here. Let the payment be successful. Here our payment has been successful. Now I'll go back to our contact. Here you can see right now there is no tag has been added in front of Devin Parker. What I'll do, I'll refresh the page and I'll wait for 2 seconds. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, the tag has been successfully added, the tag of Stripe charge. As soon as we have done the payment on behalf of Devin from Stripe. Okay, so you can see the tag has been added. Now let me show it to you one more time what we have done in the workflow. First we have choose our first application, which is Stripe. Okay, so here we have chosen Stripe and we have chosen the trigger event as new charge. Now we have done the payment on behalf of our customer and the details of our customer has been captured here in Pabbly Connect. Then we have chosen Infusion and we have retrieved the contact via email. Okay, and finally we have chosen Infusion one more time to apply the tag to in front of our contact. So this was a simple workflow in 3 steps. Okay guys, now I'll add the link of this workflow in my description box, so you can click on the link and you can directly clone the same workflow into your free Pabbly Connect account. Don't forget to go and check the link guys. Hello guys, before you leave, let me tell you, not only just these applications, but you can integrate tons of other applications by using Pabbly Connect. If you want to contact us, this is our email ID, admin@pabbly.com. If you have any further queries, you can always visit to this website. And guys, if you really liked our video, please don't forget to like, share and hit the subscribe button. It will really keep us boosted and we will keep providing you such videos. Thank you.